Welcome to our VirtuaLaw legal analysis series. In today's episode, we will discuss the case of Philippine Guaranty Co. Incorporated versus Commissioner of Internal Revenue, L-22074. This landmark case was decided by the Supreme Court of the Philippines on April 30, 1965. Facts. Philippine Guaranty Co. Incorporated, C, is a domestic insurance company. C entered into reinsurance contracts with foreign insurance companies not doing business in the Philippines. Under the reinsurance contracts, C ceded to the foreign reinsurers a portion of the premiums on insurance it has originally underwritten in the Philippines. The Commissioner of Internal Revenue, SIR, assessed C for income tax on the reinsurance premiums it ceded to the foreign reinsurers. C protested the assessment, arguing that reinsurance premiums ceded to foreign reinsurers not doing business in the Philippines are not subject to withholding tax. Issue: whether or not reinsurance premiums ceded to foreign reinsurers not doing business in the Philippines are subject to withholding tax. Ruling: the Supreme Court held that reinsurance premiums ceded to foreign reinsurers not doing business in the Philippines are subject to withholding tax. The court reasoned that the reinsurance premiums are income derived from sources within the Philippines. As the premiums are paid by Philippine residents for insurance contracts that are taken out in the Philippines. The court also held that the fact that the foreign reinsurers are not doing business in the Philippines is irrelevant. The court stated that the mere fact that the premiums are paid to a foreign company does not mean that they are not subject to withholding tax. Significance: the Philippine Guaranty Co. Incorporated case is an important precedent on the taxation of reinsurance premiums. The case clarifies that reinsurance premiums ceded to foreign reinsurers not doing business in the Philippines are subject to withholding tax. This is because the reinsurance premiums are income derived from sources within the Philippines. The case also sets a precedent on the relevance of the place of business of the payee in determining whether or not income is subject to withholding tax. The court held that the mere fact that the payee is a foreign company does not mean that the income is not subject to withholding tax. The court stated that the place of business of the payee is only one factor to consider in determining whether or not income is subject to withholding tax. Other factors, such as the source of the income, must also be considered. That's all for this episode. Stay tuned for more legal insights in our future episode. Remember, understanding landmark case helps us comprehend the intricacies of our legal system. See you next time. Like and subscribe.